Bullshit trading. Today we're going to talk about fair value gaps. So, I'm going to make this super easy for you motherfuckers. Go on to TradingView, go on to indicators, type in fair value gap. Use the indicator by Lux Algo. Oh my god, look what's happening. It's actually plotting out the fair value gaps for us. Guys, fair value gap, very simple concept. Wick of this candle here to wick of this candle here. No fill in between. There is no price tapping into this area here. There is nothing there. So what is this? This is a fair value gap. How can I use a fair value gap to make money? Very fucking simply. Right, let's go on to the 1 hour time frame. So, what can we see here? Let's turn off the indicator. Let's do this shit ourselves. What can we see here? Okay, well, that's a wick, and nothing's happening here. Okay, so that would be a fair value gap. Oh, well, this is a wick, and this is a wick. Oh, well, what's this in between? It's a fair value gap! So what do? We mark out the fair value gap. We put on either our middle tool line, or we just take the rejection here. What do? We go long. Why? Because we are following the direction of the candles that left the fair value gap. So, uptrend, bullish fair value gap, tap into middle, cover the low of the fair value gap, target a 1 to 3. I don't know what your set RR is, but that is how you make profit from a fair value gap. Now let's drop down to the 5-minute time frame. Let's use the 5-minute time frame and see if fair value gaps make us money on even low time frame. Oh my god, wait a minute. Pause. Is that a 5-minute fair value gap that's been tapped into and rejected? Holy smokes. What am I going to do? I'm going to wait for the rejection. I'm going to get in on the candle after. My stops are going to cover the low. And what am I going to target? Let me target this little bit of liquidity right here. And what does that return me? A 1 to 5, which means every $1,000 that I risked, I made fucking 5,000. It's very simple. Can we do it on 1 minute? Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh my golly gosh. What's this? A 1 minute fair value gap. What's happened? Price has come into it, rejected it. So let's get into this here. Now, in this instance, we might have got stopped out. If you're like me, you might use a wider stop loss and actually cover the low of the candle that created the fair value gap. What would I then target? This liquidity here. What would that have returned me? 3.6k from 1k? Oh my god! This could make you fucking rich. It's that simple. And it works on every time frame. Let's take the daily, for example, just to prove a little point. Oh my god, what have we got here? Bearish fair gap, value gap. What am I going to do? I'm going to get in here. I'm going to cover maybe the center on the daily, and I'm going to target the low of maybe here. Or if I really wanted to, I could target this low here and drag that down. That's a 1 to 3.5. If you're trading daily candles, you're probably a swing trader. So realistically, if you really wanted to and you had a long-term bearish bias, you could go for this all the way down here and secure yourself 16,000 for every 1,000 risked. That was fair value gaps. It's so fucking easy!